I want to talk about some of the dangers involved with injecting silicone and other biopolymers into your body. These are not FDA approved products and they can cause a lot of issues regarding your health, and specifically some of the symptoms that people experience when they have these injections are pain, inflammation, discomfort, swelling, and recurring frequent infections. And this is why the best way to avoid this is to not have these injections done in the first place. But if you have had these injections done and you are experiencing any of these symptoms, know that there is a solution. There are surgical options that we can do to extract as much of that product out of your body as possible. Now, it is impossible to remove 100% of the material that has been injected, but we are able to remove a significant amount of that material such that your symptoms resolve and that you could live a pain-free and symptom-free life.